Hello everyone, today I'm going to be making a video picking a challenge lock blind. This is from Jeff Moss. So Jeff, thank you very much for this. We had a little trade-in and this came in today. Very excited. He said he made one of them a challenge for me, and let's see what's in here. Okay, I'm gonna put this in here. Alright. These are nice. These are security pins from American. I have a few that are missing music wire. Beautiful. That are missing security pins. And here's the goodies. Alright. Sorry about the wobbling. Alright. Looks like we have a Yale. Kind of small, probably a 5-pin. Actually, I'm sorry, this is American. Wow, huh, that's good. Love American. American with a Yale keyway. Interesting. This is, I think this is an arrow one, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, or maybe this is a Schleg. Yeah, this one's probably a Schleg, and this one's the arrow. Okay, yep. I believe this might also, yeah, this is also American. American with a arrow key. Right, let's give this thing a try. Looks like one of the screws broke off on him. 5 pins. Alright, let's put this aside. Alright. Let's go top of the keyway. Gonna use a Peterson gem. Alright. Let's see what Jeff did for us here. Okay. I think a gem might not even be what we need. Yeah, you know what? I'm just gonna switch over to a hook. Peterson standard hook here. No, this thing is tiny. Back of the keyway, and let's see what we got. These pins look like they're just dead solid, barely moving. Wow. We got a little turn on the core there. A little counter rotation on 5. Nothing up. Sorry about the jiggling. Yeah, this tripod's going back too. Let me do this in the air. Okay, yep. Should have clamped this thing in my vise, but I was just rushing to make this video. It's tiny to hold or to work with. lost my full set there. Hope this isn't wobbling too much, guys. Really do sorry. Oh, got the false back. Talk about a challenge. Up in the air with the the tripod. Trying to make the tripod. Sorry, let me just adjust this. Try to make the tripod wiggle as less as possible, and holding this tiny core. I think this is a 1-inch. Wow, my hands are already cramping up. I gotta say, this keyway is a little tricky as well. I don't think I've dealt with this yet. Oh, there we go. Honestly, that was a surprise. I had no idea what Jeff put in here, but let's find out. I don't have the keys, so we gotta make sure not to screw this up. Well, we actually have these. Nah, I'm curious. Okay, I'm gonna try to do this as fast as possible. I'm really happy this didn't take too long. Well, sorry, I just got a new organization tool kind of thing, so still getting used to all my new where all my tools are. Yeah, 7.5 minutes, not bad. Not bad at all. Alright, plug follower. Okay. Would this do it? Yes, it would. Damn, guys, really sorry about all this shaking. It's just my luck. I think this is gonna be too small. Sorry, hold on. Just my luck to not be able to find the. Gotta go back with this. Not be able to find a good tripod to use. Yeah, this is good to go. Okay, that's right here. Okay. Alright, my pen kit. Let's see. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so that goes here. Come on. There we go. And number 5. Oh, sorry guys. Yep. Let's see what's in here. Okay. Homemade. Definitely looks homemade to me. Hard to tell. I think that might even be a standard one. Alright, so. Wow, that's interesting. I guess. Oh, sorry. There was nothing in. Well, I can't say nothing here. This right here was inside the plug. So I guess there was a little miscalculation there. Come on. Alright, let's see what this is. Okay, and last. Alright. No counter milling here. springs. I don't think there's any countermount here. Okay, so this is what we have. Let me just, yeah. Okay. Basically all standards on the bottom and 3 homemade spools on the top. Let me see if I can get this in. That's it. Jeff, thank you so much for the lock, sir. I hope you're enjoying yours. And for everything else, guys, thanks for watching. Terribly sorry about all this wiggling. I'll get this down eventually. Thanks for watching. Take care, everybody. Have a great night. Bye.